In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up reminders in Ticktick, a handy application that helps you stay organized and on top of your to-do list. Let's dive right in and focus on setting up reminders for individual tasks to ensure nothing slips through the cracks. The first thing you need to do is set a due date and time for the task for which you want to set a reminder. Without this crucial step, your reminders won't have a reference point. Open the Ticktick app or website and either create a new task or select an existing one from your list. Once you've clicked or tapped to open the task, you will see what's known as the Task Details view. This is where you'll be making all the necessary adjustments to keep things organized and ensure your reminders are set up just right. Now, let's focus on setting the date and time for your task. Look for the field labeled Date and Repeat or Due Date. This is usually located just below the task title. Clicking on this field will allow you to set not only a specific date, but also a precise time. By doing this, you establish the exact moment the task is due, which is essential for the next step, setting your reminders. With the due date and time set, you'll notice that options for setting reminders will now become available. Ticktick provides some very convenient preset options, so you can quickly choose from popular reminder times like 5 minutes before or 1 hour before. These options can be incredibly useful if you're in a hurry or need a quick reminder setup. However, if your situation demands a more customized approach, don't worry, Ticktick has you covered. You can set a specific time for your reminders by selecting the custom option, or you could tap the time field again. This flexibility allows you to tailor your reminder schedule according to your personal needs. For instance, you might want to set multiple reminders for a single task, perhaps one reminder 3 days before the task is due and another one on the day itself. This way, you ensure that you're well prepared and won't miss any important deadlines. By following these steps, you'll effectively harness the power of Ticktick's reminder features to stay organized and manage your time efficiently. Setting these up may seem like a small step, but it makes a huge difference in keeping your day productive and stress-free. Remember, practice makes perfect, so the more you use the app, the quicker and easier it will become to set these reminders intuitively. Keep experimenting with the different options to find what best fits your workflow. Thanks for watching, and happy planning with Ticktick.